Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a YouTube channel in this year 2025. A lot has changed on YouTube, and I see a lot of people are blowing up on YouTube. Me, actually, I also got monetized on my other channel that I was doing. So you can start right now in 2025 and create your channel. I'm going to walk you through the process, how you can find a channel name, and the content you'll be putting there. So let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you are going to do before you start creating the channel on YouTube, you are going to come here on ChatGPT and ask it to create for you channel niches that you can launch in, so that you can choose one which works better with you, the one that you can maintain. If you want to go faceless, that also matters. So you come here and ask it, or if you want to be specific and you want to go for faceless YouTube channel, you ask it to write for you. Write for me 10 best niches that I can use for a face for a face that I can use for a faceless YouTube channel. Guys, I told you be specific, you add 2025. You don't mind how I write it. I always have grammar to check it. YouTube, so it will show me if I was in a rush and I made a mistake. So in 2025, so you can either, if you want the faceless one, you ask it write for you the faceless one. So we'll let it go and it will write for us. So it's going to write us these faceless channels that we are going to use. So it will write, as you can see, it's writing, it's writing, it's writing, it's writing, it's writing. Yes, it's writing, it's writing, it's writing, it's writing. So it has written, and this are the it has written for us. If I am just giving you an example, if you want to go faceless, but if you want to show your face, that's also good. I already asked ChatGPT to write us this one, so it depends on you. If you want like to go deeper to ask further, then you can write that ask for it a faceless channel. So this is what it gave us first when we asked it to write for us the 10 best niches that we can use to start a YouTube channel. And it has said AI and tech tutorials. Yes, I see so many videos which are rapid and people are using AI to create these videos and make like tech tutorials, or they go on Amazon, they take products, and those products they use them to review, but using AI, and they are making money from YouTube and Amazon. So it depends on you. And then the all of this, so it depends on you if you want to go for financial niche, or if you want to go on make money side hustles, or mental health and care, or fitness, games and sports that. And this is what it wrote us for the faceless YouTube channel. For the faceless YouTube channel, it wrote us you can go for animated storytelling and life stories, like you've seen so many people doing African folk tales. That's where it falls. Or you can go for the 10 top lists and facts channels, meditation, relaxation, tech reviews, and unboxing. If you have money and you can buy the products by yourself, you can go for those, be unboxing them and showing just your hands. Yes. Or you can go for cooking recipes, personal and finances and investing advice, gaming. It depends on you. So you choose which one you are going to go for. Let me say I'm doing this as an example because I already have other YouTube channels that I'm running, more than two. Yes, so let me say we are going to go for let me say AI and tech reviews, because people are always wanting to see what has come up, what's new. So I'm going to copy this and paste it in chat GPT down here, and I'll tell it to write me name ideas, name ideas, name ideas for such a channel. So it will go ahead and it will write for you name ideas for such a channel. So here you go. These are the names that you can use. It has written us even up to 10 names. So you can use Tech Wave Labs, AI Insight Hub, Byte by Byte. There are so many. I don't know, so it depends on you which one you are going to use. But let me say I want to take a take crafted, so I'll just copy that, click on it, yes, so that when I'm signing up for my YouTube, it's the name I will use. So when you are finished with ChatGPT, you when you're finished with chat gpt and you have your name right there, then you have to come on YouTube. That's where the magic happens. Yes, as you see all these people here, most of them, they are monetized. Like if you want to start a kids channel, yes, so many people are doing YouTube, and some of them don't have to show their faces like this. Yes, so it depends on you. And now we are going to go and start our creation process. So if you want to create, you come here on where there, on every YouTube you have a place where you have a picture. Yes, where you have a picture. So I'll come here and I click on it. As I told you, I already have other channels that I'm running. So I'll go ahead for the purpose of this tutorial to create a demonstration one. So I'll come here, click on where all my channels are. Then I'll come down here where it says switch account. If like I want to switch from this account, log in into another account. So I'll just come here and reach. As I told you, I already have other channels that I'm running. So I'll just come here and add another account, because I don't want to use any of my other channels I'm already using. They're already there on YouTube. So I'll just come here, add an account. Or if you are there and you already have other channels and you want to create a new one. So that's how you're supposed to go on this process. So on that, you are supposed to come up with an email address. Yes, if you don't have one, you click here where it says create account. So we are going to create, if you want to use it for personal or for business, let me say for business and work, because we chose the tech channel, we are going to be reviewing things. So we are going to to open up our email. Yes, we are going to get the Gmail address because we don't have money to spend. If you use a Google Workspace email, you will have some money to spend. So we are going to use email. I don't know which name we will use. Let us say Mommy. So I'm just choosing Mommy and Anne. So you can use whatever you want, guys. I'm just trying to be creative. You can use Mommy Anne, or let me say it's about take, so that we can remember properly. Or you can use take, but let us put like a. Okay, let us go with Mommy. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want this video to get longer. So we'll come here and press next. I'm giving you an example. You can be creative, use your own name when you're opening up that email, or things that you can remember. So for example, me, I was born in August, and I was born in August, then on 2nd and year 1992. Yes, so gender, I'm a woman, as all of you see, yes, I'm female. Then you click on next. Then after clicking on emails, they will ask you, use your existing email address. You confirm that your email belongs to you. Get an email address. So we are going to click on get an email address. So you see already they have like in their system AIs, they are also using AI. So they will make me to choose here. I can choose mommy and 2 at gmail.com, or and mommy 18. So I'll go with the first one, then I'll click next. Yes, remember we are creating a new channel. So the password, I'll put in the password. Yes. So you can also go there ahead and put in your password. I don't know which password you want to use, so it depends on you as long as you can remember it. Yes, so you click next. If you want to see your password, you click here where it shows show password. Yes, so me, I'll click on next and it will go. Then they will ask you to add a recovery email, but if you don't want to add a recovery email, just skip it and go ahead. You just click on next. You just click on skip. Yes, because we don't need it. You also skip the phone number because later when you want to monetize or what, you can go ahead and add in your number so that you can get monetized. So guys, as you see, our email is ready. So we are few steps to starting our YouTube channel. Yes, guys, congratulations. If you want to start a new YouTube channel now, you can just go ahead here and click agree. Yes, when you click agree, it's not taking long, so it will not take long even to find the content that you want to use. It will not be taking long. So as we've clicked agree, then they are loading us here. Then you click on continue. When you click on continue, let us see. When you click on continue, that's it. Then you already have an email address. They are telling you get your business discovered on Google Maps. So enter a few business details to get started. You can, like you remember, we used Mommy for this example. So I'll just click on anything that comes up here because in Turkey. So then I'll just click next. So that's what it shows. So we'll leave all of that and go to YouTube. Yes, as you can see. So that's our email address and it has also been added here. Yes. So just come now here. If you want, you can go ahead request access to all of this and everything. Yes, but me, I don't need it now. I'm just giving you examples. So I'll just leave that and go ahead to creating the YouTube channel. But if you are doing a business, you will need them like when your business have address like that, all of that. So me, I'll just go on YouTube now. Yes, I'll just go on YouTube. Then on YouTube, that's where I'm going to put my email and create an account. Yes, and create an account. You already see this shows that my email has entered there on YouTube and I have already created an account. As you can see here, it shows Mommy Ann. Yes, so that's what it shows on the email, Mommy Ann. But later you can go ahead and change the email. So you come here where it says create channel. So you click on create channel. As you can see, how will your channel appear? Here you will put your picture or you can put a logo from Canva, and for that you are going to come here, put in Canva. I'm giving you an example. Put in Canva and choose a logo that you want to use. Yes, on Canva. And Canva, they have a free plan and a paid plan. So we'll just come here on Canva, click on Canva, and we'll find a quick logo so that we can use on YouTube immediately. Or if you want, you can use your picture or your kid's picture. It depends on you. Or you are saying you want to do a tech review channel, then you can go ahead and use that. So you just come in here on Canva and type in logo. Then you press enter. Sorry. Then when you press enter, a logo will come and you will choose the one you want. I just wanted to show you where you can come and take all those logos here from Canva. You can take your time, design and be creative. Yes, so you just come here on Canva, you choose the logo that you want. So logo. There are so many, as you can see, these are all logos. You just come here where you see this like Queen Alcon, that's a paid for, so you can come and find something which is not paid for, like this one. You design it, then you put it, you take it and put it on YouTube. You can design it, customize it, or you just leave it the way you are, the way it is, download it, put it on YouTube. So that's how you get a logo, and you put it here on YouTube. You put it here to set, like, to set your profile picture. Yes, you put it there and you set your profile picture. Yes, and they are telling you nothing is there to show it. Yes, they're telling you nothing there is to show. So you come here and create content. So I'll click here on create channel. You can go in, change your name, change your handle. It depends on you, or you just leave it the way it was on your email address. Later, you can take your time, think about what you want to put in. As you can see, it's creating channel. So I'm creating a channel. They are going to show you your channel now in a few minutes, and you'll be a channel owner on YouTube, and you start putting content there. Yes, and you go ahead and start putting content there. As you can see, this is how our channel looks like, Mommy Ann. You can come here, put a description about your channel. Like I told you, we said our channel is about tech. Then you come here where it says customize your channel. On customize your channel, you add in the details that you want your channel to be about. Let me say like bio. Yes, then you come put it in your channel description, and everything will be good to go. Yes, you come and put that in your channel description, guys. So the rest will be just history. After you put in here, you can continue. So this is where it looks like this is your channel. You can customize it. As you can see, come here, put in your name. This is how it looks like. You put here your description goes here. You can come up with the description, or it's about cooking, or you put in your email address where people can find you. As I told you, you need to upload a picture for your channel here, and a logo here. Yes, and here you come on home tab. When you started creating videos, they will be also showing here on home tab. But as you see, there is nothing to show. This is our YouTube studio, and we have not created anything. As you can see, there is still channel analytics. They are telling us to upload a video. So you want to upload a video, you will come here on this icon which shows create. Then you have to upload a video. You can upload a long form content or a short content. And if you want to go live, you're supposed to reach 50 subscribers. Yes, guys. So that's how you create a channel in this year 2025, and you start creating content. If you are like, how can I create content? Then you come here to our friend ChatGPT. He will write you a script, or you just want to review, like we said, we want to review products. Then you'll be coming on Amazon and getting those products and making videos about them. So that's how you start a YouTube channel in this year 2025. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But if you didn't understand something in this video, you can write it in a comment section below, so that I can do a full and a fully detailed video, even where I can show you how to create your first content. Yes, that you will put on YouTube. So guys, thank you. See you in the next one.